Hello everyone. Hi Hallyu fans from all over the world. Welcome to Dajack's What is Hallyu? I'm Dajack, Hallyu missionary. Last week we studied linguistic symbol Hallyu was born as a result of overseas export of K-culture contents. Overseas export is a cultural trade. In here we can find the dynamics for Hallyu history in Bentley's long-distance trade. Now, based on the long-distance trade, how Hallyu historiography would be described. Episode 324, Hallyu in Jerry Bentley's history, deal with this question. As a result of long-distance trade, Hallyu linguistic symbol appears. The emergence of the linguistic symbol Hallyu divides the history of Hallyu into prehistoric times and historical times. Prehistoric times of Hallyu. The prehistoric times of Hallyu is a period in which the export of K-contents had begun, but the state not to be possible to ascertain cultural identity. It is said that chaos in Hawkins synergetics and primeval soup in evolutionary biology. Prehistoric times of Hallyu is from 1987, when the first TV animation series in Korea, Dodorigachi, The Wandering Magpie, based on Lee Hyun-se's cartoon, was exported to France. To 1998, when the linguistic symbol Hallyu first appeared in Taiwan, and to 1999, when it first appeared in China. Prehistoric times is an era of challenge and competition to overcome the wall of Japan's cultural export, and an era of imitation and decoupling of Japanese cultural contents at the same time. The prehistoric times of Hallyu goes through the stage of development. Embryonic stage, time to challenge, time to settle, time to expand. For more information on this, I would appreciate if you could refer to the 9th and 10th lectures of Dajack's 5-minute Hallyuology classroom. Beginning of competition. The start of prehistoric times of Hallyu began when Korea's first trendy drama, Jil-2, Jealousy of MBC, broke the stronghold of the Japanese trendy drama Tokyo Love Story, which was preoccupying the Asian market at the time, and succeeded in entering the Chinese market. With the price competitiveness of $900 versus $1,500 per episode as a weapon, K-drama Jil-2 Jealousy breaks through the wall of J-drama Tokyo Love Story and prepares a stepping stone to enter the Chinese market in 1993. Decoupling from Japanese dramas. Decoupling from Japanese dramas started at the same time as the appearance of Japanese post-trendy drama in 1990s. Trendy drama is a drama genre that appeared in the late 1980s, when Japan's bubble economy was at its peak. It is a visually splendid video drama with plenty to see and do, with young office ladies as the main characters. Post-trendy drama is a drama trend after trendy drama of the late 1980s. After the bubble burst, the Japanese, suffering from poverty and unemployment, tended to polarize. Japanese post-trendy drama reflects this. It provides stimulants such as impulsive sexual love and extreme violence to Japanese people who cannot get drunk on bubbles. The first post-trendy drama in Japan is I've Always Liked You, which aired by TBS in 1992. Male protagonist is a unique character called Mama Boy, who has otaku hobbies like collecting insects, is violent, and has no sexual interest at all. When it comes to representative post-trendy dramas, we think of Shinji Nojima's TBS trilogy, High School Teacher, No Longer Human, Underage Are Those. These are works that shocked Japanese society. It deals with shocking topics such as suicide, assault, sex, sexual harassment, homosexuality, ijime, rape, affair, swapping, incest, and gaslighting, etc. If Japanese post-trend dramas in the 1990s were showing such extreme tendencies, Korean post-trend dramas go to the exact opposite way. Korean post-trendy dramas show the young, bright, and healthy appearance of the original trendy dramas, but also show the epitome of wholesome dramas with parents, siblings, and families. MBC drama Pilot, which aired in 1993, and the sports drama Last Match, which aired in 1994, are typical examples. With such a decoupling, the linguistic symbol Hallyu appeared, and the prehistoric times of Hallyu entered the historical times. Historical times of Hallyu begins with the global spread period of K-drama and the period of reverse imitation, in which Japanese drama imitated K-dramas. Historical times of Hallyu, which began in this way, continued to the present day with the first Hallyu era with dramas as a mainstream, and the second Hallyu era with K-pop as a mainstream. In other words, we refer to the 25 years since 1998, when the linguistic symbol Hallyu appeared in Taiwan, and 1999, when the linguistic symbol Hallyu appeared in China until now. It's the historical times of Hallyu. Reverse mimicry. Moon Rivers, broadcasted by Fuji TV in 2010, is a K-drama style Cinderella drama. Legoris, which is main background of drama, is also an interior company that is reminiscent of KBS drama 겨울연가, Winter Sonata, and MBC drama Pilot. J-drama Winter Cherry Blossoms, aired by TBS in 2011, is reminiscent of KBS drama 겨울연가, Winter Sonata, from the title of the drama to the poster, to the scenery covered in white snow, and to the male and female protagonists wearing scarves. Choi Ji-woo, the heroine of 겨울연가 Winter Sonata, makes a cameo appearance as a passing woman at the beginning of the drama. Diplomat Kosaku Kuroda, broadcasted by Fuji TV in 2011, imitates KBS drama Iris. Lee Byung-han, the male protagonist of Iris, makes a cameo appearance as a secret agent helping the main character. Like Iris, the first episode of the drama is filmed locally in San Francisco. As such, with the emergence of linguistic symbol Hallyu, the history of Hallyu could be divided into prehistoric times and historical times, and the emergence of the linguistic symbol Hallyu originated from overseas exports of K-culture content. In other words, it can be confirmed that the history of Hallyu was described with Jerry Bentley's long-distance trait as dynamics. Although not covered in detail here, the second Hallyu era with K-pop as the mainstream is also written by the overseas expert long-distance trade of K-culture contents. Hallyu in Jerry Bentley's history will end here, and Hallyu in Dawkins' Mimetics will be broadcast over 5 weeks from next week. Thank you for your interest and look forward to episode 41. Have a wonderful weekend and stay tuned for the next time. Bye bye.